and all the tape is off. Looks beautiful, looks new. The dent is gone. This is acceptable. And in a little bit of Bondo here. I'm gonna add the cream hardener to it. Just a little dab will do. Tiny little bit. They only give you so much, so you don't want to waste it. I think that'd be about enough right there. I'm gonna mix it. I would say to clean the area with a soapy rag or whatever. Did that, took care of that. Ready to apply the Bondo. And then when it's dry, you're gonna sand the damn thing and mix it for about 60 seconds or so. Use something straight like that to fill the hole. Got a big glob on there. Hit the whole area that's creased in. It's better to overdo it, the area, than to underdo it, because then you got to go back and do it again. If that makes sense what I'm saying is, I had a bend in here and it was just a dent, but it also went all the way back here, creasing the metal in. So I'm gonna fill all that in so I can sand it one shot, and then when I tape this all off and paint it, it's gonna look good. All right, so I got the first coat on here, guys, and after this dries, I can't remember if it's an hour or so. I'll just wait, I got things to do. And then I'm gonna sand it probably tomorrow morning. And then if I see any dents that are still there, repeat the process and then sand it again. And when it's good to go, you'll know it's good. I had 2 dents over here, you see how it looks? It hardens up pretty quick, so you got about less than 5 minutes to use what you mixed up. So only mix up what you're gonna use within 5 minutes or so. All right, we got the Bondo all dried. I think I'm gonna get away with this with just one coat with the Bondo. Feels real smooth. Make sure that when you do it, that it feels real smooth and it's where you want it, or else you're gonna have to go in for that second coat. But this is looking really good. I'm gonna tape it all off with some painter's tape right here. Whatever's not gonna get sprayed, I'm gonna get some good spray paint and I'm gonna paint all this. Smooth. Everything taped off, ready for painting. Okay, we got the Rust-Oleum high performance enamel. 15 minutes. This is the closest you're gonna get your appliance to stainless steel. I think it only says stainless on the back of the UPC right there. Anyways, let's get this going. We got this all sanded down. We got it Bondoed. We made sure there's not one speck of dust on this. And we wiped it off. We got it all clean. Everything looks perfect. And we're ready to start spraying. All right, here we go. Gonna give this 2 coats and all the tape is off. Looks beautiful, looks new. The dent is gone. This is acceptable. And that's about it.